We'll kind of put you right there. I'm going to do it the long way first, because what we're going to do first is just an awesome stretch for the chest. So we're always in this improper posture, a lot of us. We're texting, we're driving, we're protracted. So this is one of my favorite stretches. Go on the right on the bottom, lay on your spine, palms are up. What you're going to do is just keep on, and I'm going to kind of help around, okay? There you go. Knees are bent, palms are up.
Very nice.
Good. Now to increase the stretch, you would just keep on going. Okay, you're like, don't touch my shoulders. I'll bite your leg. I'll bite your leg. So the higher your arms come up towards your head, the more you will feel that chest, that pec getting stretched. You feel that? Really good. Yep.
Yeah. Should I let the neck drop or keep it supported by the front?
No, keep it supported. If you do have a tight neck and you do want to release that neck, you can do what Deidre's doing, which I've done before and it feels pretty good, but you can't sit in there for too long of a position. So I was just showing that if you want to take your head off the roller and do a neck stretch, that would be also something that you can do. Okay.
Making everybody laugh. Oh no.
Feeling that?
No.
Good stuff. Make sure you're breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth.
The little creature from the
Okay, I think you guys all got that one, right? So I want to do a little chest stretch.
No, I think it's
Okay, so watch me for a second. So what you're going to do, you're going to rest your knee on this foam roller. So I'll get in that position. Yep, just going to rest your leg kind of on that roller. Actually like that, I'm sorry, actually like that. There you go. You're at 90 degrees. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do this 10 times. You're going to stretch past this hand, come all the way back, and stretch that chest. Reach, and then stretch. Now I'm going to help you guys get dialed into that, okay? Perfect, 90 degrees. There you go. So bring this arm forward. Uma, this one, right here. And there you go. And try to like visualize your hand going past that arm.
You're supposed to touch the ground.
Well, you can try, but you don't have to. So I'm going to make this at 90 degrees. Awesome, awesome. Great.
Okay, so now let's lower this a little
Awesome.
bit.
There we go.
Right there.
And you should feel that pec getting really stretched. So again, 10 times, and then we'll switch sides.
Push your hips
Hey,
all
buddy,
the way.
what's up?
Pull your abs.
How you doing? I'm having a little event, but you know, hey, how we doing?
You know, I just
How's it
I
going?
was just going to lunch next door and
Oh, okay.
I say hello.
Nice, nice. How's it going?
Good, good.
Good, good.
Good luck.
Good, thanks. One.
The rule is you start over.
What was that?
The rule is you start over through these counts.
Exactly. I totally agree. I totally agree. Okay. If you got to 10, switch sides. Let's do the other side. Now a good pec release is using a tennis ball. After the class, you want to learn how to do more of the tennis ball stuff, we can definitely go into there, okay? Switch sides, Lee, okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. I want to keep everybody in the same page.
Oh, come on. Yeah.
There you go, there you go. That's a good one. That's a good stretch. That's awesome. You guys like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Again, make sure you're breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth.
You